Hello everyone, my name is Onur and I'm here today to help you improve your trading skills and become a real professional. This is our second stream about support and resistance lines. Today again I will try to show to you how to use support and resistance lines but with helping indicators. Before beginning our streams, let's wait a little bit. When dear traders will join to us, when everybody will come, we can begin and we can start our stream. While we are waiting, I hope the previous video was helpful for you. Please let me know if you liked or if you don't like support or resistance lines. Please let us know. We will try to make our best for to explain these trading instruments. So let's wait a little bit more, dear traders. And after this, we can start our stream about support and resistance lines with helping indicators. Also, while we are waiting, I just want to announce that next Monday, the long-awaited event will start. We call it WTC, World Trading Cup. It's like a tradition. Last year we also made this event. Every trader waits this event. I also recommend to you to participate because it's free. You don't need to pay some commission or something else. You can join, you can participate for free, and you can get a good prize. Please read information in details at the website VTC tab. I think you will like it. So I think, dear traders, we can start to our stream. Like I said, today we will talk about support and resistance lines, and also we will get some helps from indicators. Before starting to stream, I want to introduce by myself one more time. My name is Onur Yilmaz. Also, today we will talk about support and resistance lines. So, dear traders, the previous video was about also support and resistance lines. We tried to draw these lines, classical variant we tried to use, and we draw them by ourselves manually. But today we will use moving average, and also we will get support and resistance lines, but we don't need to draw them manually. If you are choosing another assets, we don't need to we don't need to choose, or we don't need to draw manually. At first I want to speak about moving average. There are more than one type of moving average. Today we will focus on the simple moving average. It is calculated by taking the average of the opening price and closing price within a certain period. So it means that at the left side there is a trading tools tab. If we will click here, I can see all available indicators. From these indicators we will choose moving average, and also we will left it simple moving average. If I will click here, I can see that there are many types of moving average: exponential, smoothed, weighted, but today we need simple moving average. It is calculated by taking the average of the opening price and closing price within a certain period. Also we will talk about periods a little bit later. For using moving average as support or resistance lines, we need to add three different moving average, simple moving average in different periods. At first, let me add these indicators to graphic. I will choose simple moving average in 50 period. This is my first moving average will be. I added. The second time also I'm clicking to moving average. This time I will change period. I will left simple and I will change the color. And third one and the last one, we will left moving average, simple moving average, but now we will have 200 period, and I will make it red one. So dear traders, if we will look to graph, we will see that three different moving average in different periods. What period means? So every period, if we will speak about 50 period, it means that the last 50 Japanese candlestick we will take, we will pay attention for this one, we will take to calculate. If we will change our periods to 100, it means that we will take the last 100 Japanese candlestick. And if we are talking about 200, in this case we will get the last 200 Japanese candlestick, and moving average will draw these lines on the graph. So as you can see, the green one 50 moving average, the blue one will be 100, and the red one will be 200 moving average. So in this case we will use these lines like support or resistance lines. In the downtrend we will use them like resistance lines. In the uptrend we will use them like support line. So here how we can make some analyses. The first thing that when price goes down, after this price will begin to rise. We will wait. The first target will be 50 periods simple moving average. I'm sorry. I will think that price will not break 50 period moving average, and it will go down, as we can see here. After this price will go down, and after will rise. Again, the first target will be 50 period moving average. If price will break this line, the second target will be 100 moving average. So after this period, I will open down trade. So just using moving average like support or resistance lines maybe will not be enough. That's why now today in our stream we will get some helps from another indicators. These indicators, I mean oscillators, it will be this oscillator will be stochastic. I will also talk about oscillators because it is very important to know. We need to use oscillators. I'm sure that many of traders think that price will not go down or price will not go up. It was rising so much or it was falling so much. At this point, so I mean overbought and oversold zones. At these moments, oscillators will help us. We will use a stochastic oscillator in standard settings. Don't need to change anything. Just I will click apply. After this, on the down of the graph, I will see that stochastic was added to graphic. Dear traders, how we can combine moving average and stochastic, and how we will understand that the signals that we get from support or resistance lines, so I mean from moving average, it will be good signals for open the trade. At first, of course, we need to wait when price will test our support or resistance lines, one of moving average, one of them. For example, if we will take here an example, I can see that price was testing 50 period moving average. At the same time, I can see that stochastic gives also signals for the down trades. So before these signals, let's talk about stochastic in details. Stochastic is an oscillator that shows us overbought and oversold area. In stochastic, we see 80 periods, 20 periods, also this red or green line. So these lines, stochastic lines, it moves, it has a mathematical formulate, it moves when price changes. So how we need to talk about stochastic? If stochastic lines will break 80 line from bottom to top, at this period we can say that price now in overbought zone. If stochastic will broke 20 line from top to bottom, at this situation we will think that price is now oversold zone. So what we can do, when stochastic breaks to 80 line from bottom to top, at this point we can say that please be careful, be ready, price was rising so much, at this point it can go again and down. We are waiting when stochastic breaks 80 level from top to bottom. At this point we are waiting, we are not opening a trades when stochastic broke from top to bottom. When stochastic broke from top to bottom, at this point we are opening down trade. We are waiting. At this time I'm looking to support line. In this case will be 50 period simple moving average, price testing simple moving average, and stochastic also on overbought zone. At this point I can open down trades. Again here, if we will check the graphic, I can see that price testing support line, but stochastic doesn't give some signals for the down trade because it is still overbought zone. We get signals when stochastic broke 80 level from top to bottom. At this point, when we can see when price testing 100 moving average, 100 simple moving average. At this position, I can open a down trade. Now I will try to find some signals in practice. I think you will understand it better. If we will talk about time frame and expression time, also you can use in any time frame, but I advise to you to use it high time frames because you will get more good signals when time frame is high. So let me check please if I will get some good signals. Maybe here we can get some signals. So as we can see that price is in a downtrend. I'm sorry. Now price trying to go up, and also stochastic oscillator is overbought zone, but price not testing 50 period simple moving average. In this case, it's not good point to open a down trade. Just we get some signals. We must be ready for the down movements, but we don't get some good signals for the open trade. Just we can be ready. At this position, it's better to open or change asset to find to search another signals. I hope you all understand what I mean, how we are using support, how we are using moving average and stochastic together. At this position, it was a good movement for the open and up trades because we can see that there is an uptrend on the graph. Price was testing at first 50 period simple moving average, then the second one, but the third one price will not go down. So as we can see, these support and resistance lines are working very good. So let me please search another good signals. Maybe here, but I think we are late a little bit because price was testing at this point, but stochastic didn't give us a good trading signals. So when the situation is like this, it's better to not open. While we are speaking, we missed some good signals. Let me check one more time. Now I'm looking 1 minute time frames. Maybe here we can try to open a trade. Now I will choose a 3-time expiration time because I'm looking 1 minute time frames. If I'm looking 1 minute time frames, my trade must close 3 or 4 minutes later. So I mean I must choose an expiration time 2 or 3 or 4 minutes higher. If I'm looking 5 minute, time frames, in this case my trade must finish after 15 or 20 minutes, so 3 or 4 Japanese candlestick later. We opened a trade here, but we were late. We could open somewhere here. Just for example, I wanted to open a trade, but I will continue to search another good signals. For example, here, let's open a down trade because we had a good signals. Price testing 200 simple move on average like resistance lines at the same position. Stochastic broke 80 level from top to bottom. In this case we get a good down signals for our trades. I'm looking 1 minute time frames. In this case my trade must close 3 or 4 Japanese candlestick later. So in this case it will be 1918. While continuing our trades, I will look one more time. Maybe here we will get a good signals, or if you want we can change our time frames to 5 minutes maybe. I just want to say also, if you are using high time frames, in this case you will get less trading signals because in 5 minutes the price will not go move so quickly as like 1 minute. So if you want to get a good and guaranteed signals, we can say like this, you can use high time frames. But when you are losing small time frames, 1 minute, 5 minutes, in this case you will get more signals, but the quality of signals may be more or less than in high time frames signals. That's why I advise to use high time frames. The first trade, it was unsuccessful. Like I said, we were a little bit late for the open trades, but the second one, it goes. Let's wait a little bit more. Also we can use euro dollar, how it will close. I think it will be successful because we find very good signal for the open and trade. Yes, it was successful. Okay, let's try to find in high time frames. Also 1 minute here, but we don't get some additional signals from stochastic. But just for example, we can try to open a down trade because of price testing 50 period simple moving average. Just for test, we can open a trade and we can wait the result what will be. Again, I want to say that when price testing one of moving average 50, 100 or 200 periods, at this point we need to get some additional signals from stochastic or from another oscillators. I just want to advise to you to use stochastic because it gives very good signals. It's easy to understand, and also it gives a very good trading signals. We opened a trade here just because of price testing 50 period simple moving average. Stochastic didn't give us signal, but I just want to show you more example. That's why I decided to open a down trade. So still we have 1 minute and 30 seconds. We need to wait. If price will broke our first support line, in this case the second target will be 100 period simple moving average. At this point, when the price will test 100 period simple moving average, if we will get signals from stochastic, I will open a down trade. So let me please choose 5 minute time frames and I will search another trading signals. in high time frames. Also, you can use different time frames and expiration times, but if you will use 5-minute, 10-minute or 15-minute expiration time, you will get a good trading signals, and these trading signals will have a good quality. So unfortunately I can't find a good trading signals in 5-minute expiration time. Let's look 15 minutes. Maybe in 15 minutes we will get a good trading signals. Last 5 seconds left. I think this trade will be unsuccessful, unfortunately, because we get trading signals just from simple moving average. We didn't wait to get signals from stochastic. It's better to get additional signals from oscillators. Every time it's like this. I try to find another good trading signals in 15 minutes time frames, but at this point there is no good signal. I think I will return to 1 minute, or if you want, let's look to 30 seconds. In 30 seconds we will get more trading signals than in others. Maybe here. In this case, if we are looking 30 seconds, we need to put expiration time 1 minute or 2 minutes. Let's open a down trade here, because price testing 100 period simple moving average and stochastic tries to broke 80 level from top to bottom. I opened a down trade here. Maybe here also we will get a good signals. Let's wait a little bit more. When stochastic will give us a signal, we will open a down trade. Maybe we can open here right now for not wait so long. For the first trade last 5 seconds. Yes, it was successful, dear traders. Also, as we can see, when price testing 50 period, 100 period or 200 period simple moving average, we are using like support or resistance lines, and if we will get from stochastic signals, it will be a good combined signals for the open and down or up trades. So I strongly recommend that to use this trading strategy or support or resistance lines in high time frames. So you will get a good trading signals and the results will be very good. I just want to check here one more in 1 minute time frame, because if the price will broke this line, it will go strongly up, and at this point I want to open a down trade. But it goes still down. So let's choose again 30-second time frames and let's search another trading signals. Now I'm looking for another signal. Also, dear traders, I can't understand what's going on financial markets, because if we will look to euro, I think it strongly lose their prices, because I don't know, maybe some news was released on economic calendar, because I can understand this movement, why it was going like this so strongly. Uh, Also, please try to use economic calendar before you're trading, because it's very impact our graphs, because price change, uh, because of inflation, because of interest rate, or I don't know, GDP. Please be careful with these announcements which released on economic calendar. Please be careful. One more time, I want to announce that uh, on Monday, long-awaited event, World Trading Cup 2022 will begin. The last year also we made this event, and many traders like this one. So please make your registration if you didn't yet. It is for free. You will like it. Let me check one more time. I want to find a good trading signal. I just want to explain again what we are doing now. Maybe some traders just participated to us. Dear traders, today we are trying to use moving average as like support or resistance lines, and also we get some additional supports from stochastic. We have three different moving average, simple moving average in different periods. The green one is 50 period simple moving average. The blue one is 100 period simple moving average. The third one and the red one, 200 period simple moving average. We are using these lines as like support or resistance lines, and also we have a stochastic oscillator for get additional trading signals for our support or resistance lines. When price testing our support or resistance lines, at the same time we are trying to get some additional signals from stochastic. When we get two signals at the same moment, we are opening a trades. Now at 30-second time frame, I'm trying to find a good trading signals for opening up or down trades. As I said, if you will use high time frames, you will get less trading signals, but these trading signals quality will be really higher than small time frames. Let me check one more time in 1 minute time frames. Maybe here we can try. Let's wait when stochastic will give us trading signals. We will open a down trade. Now 1928. We are waiting a little bit more. When stochastic will broke 80 level from top to bottom, at this point I will open a down trade. It is a not good trading signals, because price was testing and it was broken 50 period simple moving average. So I will not open a down trade here, because I think it's not good signals for opening trade. Now I'm trying to find another trading signals in 1 minute time frame, but we don't have enough good trading signals. Maybe now already evening, and that's why we don't get a good trading signals. I also want to make I want to also take your attention to this moment, because it's a very important. If you will trade from morning till evening, I think you will get a good trading signals. I mean, if you will try to find your trading signals when European and American trading session will open. In this case, it will be a good chance to get good trading signals. Uh, so, dear traders, I think that's all. I just want to show to you how we are using support and resistance lines with helping our indicators. Today we tried to use moving average, 3 different simple moving average in different periods, and also we tried to get additional signals from stochastic oscillator. One more time, please, don't forget to look WTC. It is very important for our traders. I just want to invite you one more time. Dear traders, I hope it was a good trading session and educational stream for you. We want to continue our streams. I hope you like this one. Please at first try these methods on your demo account. If you will get a good trading signals or good results, you can use it on your real account. Thank you for your participation. See you on next stream. Have a good trading days. Bye bye.